welcome to my channel. My name is TamBam and today I'll be showing you just, how to get this look. So yeah. Okay, so I start by using Nivea because my face gets really dry. I have like dry skin on my face, and then I start by just shaping my eyebrows before I brush them out. Okay, so just like pull and I just I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and then when that's done, I then prep the face with primer. I personally use Honeydew. I hope you can't see how dry my hands are. But I use the Honeydew. If you can't see it, I'll just put it in the description box below. I just prime the face. Just rub that in. Okay. And while that sits on the face, I then start doing my edges for my hair so that I can just wrap it. It stays there for longer. Edges now. So I personally use the red one. I think it's so good. It keeps my edges intact. I used to use Got2Be glue, which was just terrible for my edges. Like it just wasn't working out. So yeah, my cousin referred the red one to me, and since then I've just been using it. And a little goes a long way. So, and it's only £4.99, like it's actually a reasonable amount, like, I use a small spoolie, just pull this back. But yeah, I'd love to know like what you guys use in your edges, because I've gone through quite a few product wise. Got2Be, then it used to be Eco, but then I heard that's really bad. And then I went through a phase of using like beeswax, but then I was like, nah, like this is really difficult to actually get out my hair, so I stopped using it. So yeah, now I've just been stuck onto the red one, and I literally, I like it. I like it a lot. It's not something that I'm gonna be changing anytime soon. It does the job. It doesn't take out my hair. Well, yet. I've been using it for quite a while though, so I think it's safe to say. I think I've gotten through that stage. Like if it was going to take out my hair, it would have done it by now. Okay. I then tie it with like a bandana just to keep it intact and out of the way, Okay, and then I go back in to do my look. So don't judge me. I know I said I don't use Got2Be glue for my edges, but I use them for my brows, which probably isn't the best thing to do. I know I need to get myself some eyebrow soap, but yeah, I use it. It works for me, it works for me. Okay. Let's get in. my eyebrows. And then when I'm done with that, I use the wipes. I just go over, because you know sometimes the Got2Be glue, it leaves like a little glaze like around your eyebrows, so you gotta like wipe it off so it doesn't look like you glued your eyebrows even though you did. Okay, so your eyebrows should look like this. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal my underbrow. This just allows the eyebrow to kind of like pop a little bit and look more arched and clean than it actually is, you know? So I've got lots of product in it. I just like, instead of like using it from the top, I just I don't know, it's weird, something that I do. But yeah, I just go underneath and then take away the excess. I hope you guys can't see how dry my hand is, honestly. Okay, just blending a little bit more. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but okay. They were too dry. Okay. Okay. Okay, so do this. Then I start to conceal the areas of my face. Okay, so now I get the concealer that I used for my underbrow, and I just use a tiny bit to brighten up the area. So, as you can see, it's kind of brightening up the area. Cool, this is the look. Joking, it's not done yet, it's not done. Go in with the powder, basically the banana powder, the Rimmel Multitasker, and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Drop in the shade I actually don't know the shade. Golden Honey. So it's the, don't know if you can see that. You probably can't see that. And then I go in with my blush. And then I go with a little bit of Vaseline. Go on my lips. This is just something I always do. I always put Vaseline on my eyes before I put my mascara on. I don't know why, but I just do it. But before I go into that, I get my Pixi On The Glow, which I love. Sometimes like you can, like, I don't know, I just like the whole glowing look. So I just pop some on my nose. Some on my cheek as well. Give it that glow. If I don't have this, then I'll use like Vaseline. I do this because I like the whole glowing look, not the highlighted look, but the glowing look. You know. So then I go with my mascara. Mascara before I go in, because I don't want it to look clumped. And this is my clean, no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna tag down below all the makeup, all the stuff that I used to get this look. And yeah. Let me know what you want to see more of, and like, comment and subscribe, and let me know, I don't know, tell me what your routine is, or tell me what I should have done, or I don't know, just communicate with me, okay? Thank you. Bye.